Have you noticed that almost everyone is using AI the wrong way? They're asking ChatGPT to write essays or generate random images and make little or no money. Meanwhile, some people are using AI to build simple digital services that businesses actually pay for. In this video, I'll show you a practical AI-powered business model that's growing in 2026. How it works, the tools you can use, and how you can get your first clients. Let's get started. Welcome back to the channel. If you're interested in AI, online business, and practical ways to earn online, you're in the right place. Today's method doesn't require coding, a degree, or a big budget. It does require learning a skill and finding customers. But AI can help you work much faster. Section 1: Why AI is creating new opportunities. Businesses are adopting AI faster than ever. But most small businesses don't know how to use it effectively. Many need help with writing content, creating social media posts, email marketing, product descriptions, customer support, research, marketing ideas. Instead of selling your time, you're using AI to deliver these services more efficiently. Section 2: The AI Service Business Model. Here's the workflow. Step 1. Choose one simple service. Examples: AI blog writing, AI social media management, AI email campaigns, AI product descriptions, AI YouTube scripts, AI newsletter writing, AI research reports. Don't try to offer everything. Become known for one thing. Step 2. Use AI tools to speed up your work. Examples include ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Canva AI, Perplexity, Notion AI. Remember, AI helps create the first draft. You still need to review, edit, and improve the final work. Quality is what clients pay for. Step 3. Create sample work. Even without clients, you can build a portfolio by creating sample Instagram posts, sample blogs, sample email campaigns, sample product descriptions. A strong portfolio builds trust. Step 4. Find clients. Places to look include Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn, Facebook business groups, local businesses, cold email outreach. You don't need hundreds of clients. A few happy clients can become repeat customers. Section 3: Example earnings. Here's an example. Suppose you charge $100 for a content package. You complete 5 projects in one day. That's 5 times $100 equals $500 in revenue. Keep in mind, this is an example, not a guarantee. Actual earnings depend on your skills, pricing, client demand, marketing, quality of work. Many freelancers start much smaller and grow over time. Section 4: How to stand out. Thousands of people use AI. Few know how to solve business problems. Don't sell prompts. Sell outcomes. Instead of saying, "I use ChatGPT," say, "I help restaurants create 30 days of social media content." Instead of saying, "I write blogs," say, "I help e-commerce stores increase traffic with SEO content." Businesses buy results. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more AI and online business content. Thanks for watching.